Hello, I've been doing magic for a little while now and I wanted to learn something new. So I went to my uncle, who is also a magician, and asked if he could show me something. He said, certainly, you've heard of the cups and balls. And I said, well, sure, that's the oldest trick in the book. He said, well, I do something a little different. I use one cup and one ball. And out of this little red box, he pulled out a beautifully painted wooden cup with a shot glass with a little yellow ball in it and a red handkerchief. He dropped the ball in the cup, gave it a little shake, took the ball and put it in his pocket. Then he asked me, now where's the ball? Is it in my pocket or is it under the cup? And I said, well, I just saw you put it in your pocket, so it's not under the cup. He said, are you sure? The ball is never where you think it's going to be. You better take another look. And what do you know? The ball was there. He said, now this is the special cup. See, it has a hole in the bottom that you can't see. Here, I'll show you. He dropped the ball in the cup and it went right through to the other side. He said, here, I'll do that again. And the ball went through the cup. He said, now watch this. Made the ball vanish and it reappeared under the cup. Put the ball in his pocket, said, no, I'm going to do something a little different. He brought out the shot glass and covered the whole thing with his handkerchief. He said, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make the ball penetrate through the handkerchief into the shot glass. And I thought, well, that would be pretty cool, but I didn't think it was possible. He said, now watch this. At first, I need the ball. It's under the cup. And I said, no, it's not. You put it in your pocket. And he said, well, remember, the ball is never where you think it's going to be. And what do you know? There it was. He put the ball on the top of the shot glass, covered the whole thing with the cup, gave a magical gesture, he lifted the cup, and the ball had vanished. And with a great flourish, he lifted the handkerchief away and said, voila. Now I was really confused by this because there was no ball there. In fact, my uncle was kind of confused as well because he was expecting the ball to appear in the shot glass. He said, I know what happened. Sometimes the ball gets a little confused and goes to the wrong place. And sure enough, there it was, in the box. He put the ball in his pocket and he said, now watch this, I'm going to do something even better. I'm going to make the ball go from my pocket into the shot glass. And I thought, well, that would be really cool. He covered the whole thing with a handkerchief, and with a mighty flourish, he lifted the shot glass, and there it was. The ball had returned to the shot glass. And I thought that was really cool. He said, well, you haven't seen anything yet. Where do you see this? And I thought, well, where did that come from? He said, I have no idea. I don't know where this one came from either. And that's the magic trick my uncle showed me. The only problem is I didn't write any of the instructions down, so I won't be able to show it to you. Oh well.